Okay. Okay, we are discussing with that advanced cobots in our day-to-day life. Like Amazon has developed Alexa to start that ACs or the geyser of our daily routine work. We can minimize with the help of that uh, device. Okay, it is nothing but simple one uh, cobot only. Okay, it has number of smart sensor which can make safe for human interaction and more efficiency can be achieved. Okay, next we have seen the need of collaborative robot. Why it is needed? Traditional industrial robots are typically large and fixed equipment designed mainly for mass production with low variation. Means in that the large number of large robots are developed for purpose of only mass production purpose. Okay, nowadays we can use human as well as robots. By combination of this, we are doing the okay means we can provide the maximum flexibility to the production line. Okay, next, traditionally industrial robot present safety risk to the human work. Okay, now additional safety measures such as a cage or fencing are required to keep humans out of robot working on it. Means if you see in industries, the many robots is enveloped with such a fencing. ओके, तुम्ही जर बघितलं असेल तर असे रोबोट जर वर्किंग मध्ये असेल तर त्याला त्याच्या भोवती काय केलं जाणार आहे तर फेन्सिंग किंवा जाळी केलेली तुम्ही बघू शकता. परंतु जर कोबोट्स असतील तरी दॅट कोबोट्स डू नॉट डॅमेज विथ ह्युमन. म्हणजे कोबोट्स असतील तर ते काय करणार आहे तर बरेचसे सेन्सर लावल्यामुळे ते ह्युमन जर आला इन बिटवीन these two robots, that robots cannot damage to that person. Okay, पर्सनला त्या ठिकाणी डॅमेज करणार नाही. Okay, next, integrated the integrating the robots line with other production facility adds to the cost. Space requirement are also larger. Okay, means by integrating the robots and human we can reduce the space. Okay, म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी there is no requirement of fencing of the separate space required for the robot. Means that robot and human can do both simultaneously. Okay, this characteristic make traditional industrial robot best suitable for production process that will continue unchanged for years, where return on investment can also be take years. Okay, next we have seen the application. Okay, application also we have seen where we can use these cobots: assembly line, dispensing, finishing, machine tending, material handling, material removal, okay, welding, others, quality inspection. For various application we can use the cobots. Now after that, benefits of human robot collaboration. What is the benefit if we combine both together? ओके, हे दोघांचं जर कॉम्बिनेशन केलं तर आपल्याला बेनिफिट काय आहे तर हे आपण बघूया तर रोबोट एक्सेल ॲट सिम्पल रिपिटेटिव्ह हँडलिंग टास्क. ओके, robot can reduce the repetitive or the boring repetitive task फ्रॉम ह्युमन. ओके, जे काही तुम्हाला रिपिटेटिव्ह टास्क करायचं आहे तर ते तुम्हाला काय करणार आहे तर त्या ठिकाणी तर कमी करणार आहे. कसे करणार आहे तर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ रोबोट्स. Okay, robo can do repetitive operation task. Okay, rather than that human need to do that thing. Okay, human ला करण्यापासून आपण काय करू शकतोय तर रिड्यूस करू शकतोय by using help of robot. Next, human on the other hand have unique cognitive scale for understanding and adapting to any change in the task. Okay, means you can read carefully. Humans on other hand unique cognitive skill for understand adapting to any change in the task. Means persons. ओके, जर आता मशीनला सांगितलं आणि एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट त्या ठिकाणी ओके किंवा अनइव्हन ऑब्जेक्ट जर त्यामध्ये ठेवला आपल्या वर्कप्लेस मध्ये आला तर काय करणार आहे तर ह्युमन काय करेल स्वतःच्या बुद्धीचा विचार करून बुद्धीने विचार करून तो काय करेल तर अनवॉन्टेड ऑब्जेक्ट काय करेल तर त्या ठिकाणून वर्क स्टेशन वरून रिमूव्ह करेल. परंतु मशीन असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी रोबोट असेल तर ते काय करेल तर that robot do not think anything. Okay, they think करणार नाही, डायरेक्टली they will hold that workpiece and keep at machine मध्ये डायरेक्ट तो रेस्ट करेल. Okay, it will dangerous to that environment. Okay, next, the combination of human and robot can greatly improve performance as long as work is optimally shared. Now only we have discussed means by with the help of human and robot we can reduce the we can increase the performance of any workspace. Next, human robot collaboration allow to various levels of automation. Human intervention task can be partially automated if a fully automated solution is not economic or too complex. In that case it is not possible to any object. Okay, एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चर करताय आणि त्याला फक्त रोबोटच्या सहाय्याने जर पॉसिबल नसेल तर त्या ठिकाणी काय करू शकता तर in that case you can use the humans also. Okay, in between. Okay, for that we require the collaborative robot. Non-ergonomic workstation can greatly improve with the help of robots only. Okay, now only we have seen. Next, key robot features: safety. Okay, rated stop monitoring. Okay, म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी जर कोबोट्स असतील तर त्या ठिकाणी कुठल्या कुठल्या गोष्टी विचार केल्या पाहिजेत. ज्यावेळेस डिझाईन करताय तुम्ही कोबोट्स त्यावेळेस सेफ्टी तुम्ही सेफ्टीचा विचार केला पाहिजे. हँड गायडिंग, स्पीड आणि सेपरेशन मॉनिटरिंग, पॉवर फोर्स लिमिटेशन. ओके, दीज थिंग्स यू शुड रिमेंबर while designing. Key robots function. Okay, which are the functions of robot? Robots function काय? Operation in automatic mode with a person in the collaborative workspace. Incorporating specific safety design features to protect the person from injury. Okay, this one is very important. Incorporating specific safety design features to protect the person from injury. Okay, this one is very important. Can have both autonomous and the collaborative phases in a automatic work cycle. म्हणजे काय म्हणतोय बघा तर या ठिकाणी these are very important. ओके, आता ह्युमन आणि रोबोट ज्यावेळेस वर्क करते त्यावेळेस सेफ्टी डिझाईन करणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. कारण की सेफ्टी जर नसेल तर इट मे बी डॅमेज, दॅट रोबोट विल डॅमेज टू द ह्युमन. ओके, ह्युमनला डायरेक्टली काय करणार आहे तर डॅमेज करणार आहे. अँड दॅट इफ it will damage to the human, it is very dangerous for the human. Okay, ते dangerous असणार आहे. Next, robot safety features. Okay, some of the features we can say that. Okay, which are the human robot collaboration application. Relevant safety features to minimize the risk of human robot collaboration application in accordance with the application standard ISO. Okay, this 10218-1:2011. According to these ISO standards, okay, these are the some safety norms: safe velocity monitoring, safe workplaces and safeguard zones, safe collision detection, safe force monitoring, safe tool detection, and safe switching of states. Okay, these points must be considered. Okay, then and then only you can develop. Forms of human robot collaboration. How we can form, okay, that human robot collaboration. ह्या दोघांचे collaboration कसं फॉर्म करणार आहे. ओके, इफ नो फिक्स गार्ड व्हर्च्युअल सेफ्टी फेन्सेस. ओके, आता जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर ह्यामध्ये बघू शकता की एका साईडला ह्युमन आहे आणि एका साईडला रोबोट आहे. तर त्या ठिकाणी जर ह्या दोघांमध्ये ओके विदाउट कोबोट म्हणजे ह्युमनचा विचार न करता जर डिझाईन केला असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी काय करायला लागलं असतं तर आपल्याला दिस रोबोट अँड ह्युमन इन बिटवीन वी हॅव टू रिक्वायर्ड सम फेन्सिंग. ह्या दोघांच्या मध्ये आपल्याला फेन्सिंग करणं किंवा जाळी बसवणं गरजेचं आहे. ओके, नेक्स्ट, फिक्स्ड सेफ्टी फेन्स कॉन्टॅक्ट नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, एक काय करणार आहे तर फिक्स करणार आहे सेफ्टी फेन्स ह्या दोघांचा कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑपरेटर आणि रोबोट वर्कस्पेसचा कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये येणार आहे. नेक्स्ट, इन्क्रीज इन HRC ह्युमन रोबोट कोलॅबरेशन. तर कसं करणार आहे तर त्या ठिकाणी तर शेअर्ड वर्कपीस बट एक्सक्लुझिव्ह मोशन कॉन्टॅक्ट पॉसिबल बट ओनली विथ स्टेशनरी रोबोट. Okay, example, in case of industrial robot as handling assistant, म्हणजे काय करणार आहे तर अशा पद्धतीने रोबोट आहे, फक्त काय करेल तर ह्या दोघांमध्ये फेन्सिंग नसेल, फक्त आपण कॉन्टॅक्ट म्हणजे इट विल लिफ्ट सम वर्क पीस फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द and it will rest to the in front of human. In that case, there is no requirement of fencing. Okay, next, after that, by shared workspace, आता ह्या दोघांमध्ये शेअर्ड जर वर्कस्पेस असेल, आता इथं जर बघितलं तर देर इज नो एनी शेअर्ड वर्कस्पेस. ओके, द शेअर्ड वर्कस्पेस मध्ये काय असेल, कॉन्टॅक्ट नॉट डिझायर्ड बट पॉसिबल. ओके, कॉन्टॅक्ट ह्या दोघांमध्ये नसणार आहे. ओके, कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये येणार नाही परंतु पॉसिबल आहे. ओके, त्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आपण जाऊ शकतो. आणि आफ्टर दॅट ऍट लास्ट शेअर्ड वर्कपीस कॉन्टॅक्ट डिझायर्ड सायमल्टेनियस मोशन मॅन्युअल गायडन्स. ओके, मीन्स फ्रॉम वर्कर हँड ओनली इट विल लिफ्ट द वर्कपीस बाय रोबोट. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी जर काय करणार आहे तर डायरेक्ट तो काय करेल, रोबोट जे काही ह्युमन आहे त्या ह्युमनच्या हँड मधूनच काय करणार आहे तर आपला जो काही वर्कपीस आहे तो काय करणार आहे तर लिफ्ट करेल. Okay, next one is the standstill monitoring. Okay, how to monitor safe operation stop. Okay, now during this stop state the drives remain under servo control and safe monitoring of robot restart in activated. Okay, next, makes it is necessary for a robot to stop completely for a manual loading and allow it to start moving again quickly. Okay, and at last enable direct loading of components into the robot's gripper and shorter distance to the operator. Okay, means you can see here loading of the workpiece onto intermediate support. Okay, here you can loading on drives and deactivated or the robot is monitored using access range monitoring system. Means in between these two, okay, there is one monitoring system. Okay, it cannot damage to the person. Okay, here some sensors are attached. Okay, this yellow portion you can see here. Again, direct loading into the robot gripper. Okay, direct load to that human will direct load to that human will direct load to that robot, and after that it will move from this yellow portion. After that this robot will start. Okay, means some sensors, by using sensors we can, okay, जोपर्यंत कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आहे त्या सेन्सरच्या इट कॅनॉट मूव्ह दॅट रोबोट. ओके, रोबोट मूव्ह होणार नाही. जर त्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मधून निघाला तर रोबोट विल डू द वर्क असाइन्ड बाय दॅट रोबोट. ओके, नाउ सेफ प्रोटेक्शन झोन्स. आता कशा पद्धतीने सेफ प्रोटेक्शन झोन तयार केले जातात बघा. वन मेथड फॉर स्पीड अँड सेपरेशन मॉनिटरिंग. ओके, safe operation 2. Step reduction in speed of robot depend on the distance of machine operator. Okay, means by changing the distance we have to reduce the okay speed of that robot. Okay, how to reduce the speed of the robot? Okay, at 20, okay, we can 20% speed. Okay, you can see here. At the 40 we can increase 40%. At the 60% speed we can increase. At 80% we can speed increase. And at last, okay, we can reduce, okay, full speed. Okay, जे काय असणार आहे काय करणार तर स्पीड पूर्ण 100% रिड्यूस करणार. म्हणजे जोपर्यंत ह्युमनच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये येत नाही तोपर्यंत स्पीड काय करणार आहे तर ओके त्या ठिकाणी कमी करत जाणार आहे. ओके, यू कॅन सी हियर दिस वन इज द human. This green lines represent the okay safest zone of that human. Okay, humanचं safest zone आपण त्या ठिकाणी म्हणू शकणार. Next, intelligent manipulator. Now there are different manipulators. Okay, with that manipulators also we can control that arm motion. Okay, त्या armची motion. Robot being used as an intelligent and safe manipulator. The safe operation stop and safe monitoring velocity of the robot enables closely operation between human operator and machine, like your okay JCB machine. Okay, in that also and there are manipulators. Okay, you can see that that operator can move that arm, and okay, accordingly our requirement that arm will adjust it. Okay, आपल्याला जसे पाहिजे त्यानुसार तुम्ही JCB मध्ये बघितलं असेल की आर्म ऍडजस्टमेंट केलेली बघू शकणार आहे तुम्ही. Okay, expensive sensor system are no longer required to complex joining operation, and the division of work between the robot and the operator result in personal saving. Okay, next, these are the some radiation surgeries, okay, we can do with the help of cobots. You can see here where some of the cobots they can do. Okay, radiations are very harmful to the human. Okay, dangerous to that other person. Okay, we can minimize that radiation from the okay other person. Okay, with the help of robots. Okay, surgery we can do with the help of the robots also. Practical therapy. Okay, this one is the actually therapy which is done on that human. Okay, persons doctors will observe only, and that okay how that therapy will going on. Okay, angiography. Also angiography also. Okay, allow full coverage of the patient body for the head to toe. Okay, means in that also we can use the robots at the type of angiography. Okay, hippotherapy. Okay, neurohabitation directly at the hospital through hippotherapy. Okay, this motion equipment is manipulated which stimulates neuroplasticity and thus promotes neural rehabilitation. Means somewhere suppose your accident may happen, and सपोज तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल सांगायचं झालं तर तुमचा ऍक्सिडेंट झालेला आहे आणि त्या ठिकाणी तुमचं काय आहे तर बरेचसे जॉईंट व्यवस्थित अटॅच होत नाही, तर त्या ठिकाणी रिहॅबिटेशन थेरपी असतात की रिहॅबिटेशन म्हणजे सम स्पेसिफिक काय म्हणतो योगा और वी कॅन से दॅट मुवमेंट वी कॅन डू ऑफ दॅट आर्म और द आवर लेग. ओके, जिथं काय ऍक्सिडेंट कुठं फ्रॅक्चर झाले त्या ठिकाणचे एक स्पेसिफिक आपण काय म्हणतोय तर मोशन केल्यानंतर ते काय होईल तर तो जॉईंट व्यवस्थितपणे फिट राहील. मग त्यासाठी काय केलंय तर वेगवेगळे रोबोट ही डेव्हलप केले. नाव यू कॅन सी या ते जे काही जॉईंट्स आहेत तुमचे व्यवस्थित फिक्स करण्यासाठी अशा पद्धती हिपोथेरपी फॉर दॅट ऑल्सो some of the robots are developed. The motion equipment manipulated which stimulates neuroplasticity and thus promotes neuronal rehabilitation, especially suitable for the neurological patients. Example, after a stroke, okay, injury multiple sclerosis, children with okay 6 degree of freedom provided by the robot gives simultaneation of the okay riding motions. Okay, next, these are the again some examples. Internet entertainment ride system. Okay, for entertainment also we can use this type of the robots. You can see here biological. Okay, for research purpose, biological research purpose also we can use this. Next, motion picture. Okay, that might be you have seen there are different motion pictures you have like transformer might be you have seen. Okay, for in that case also we can use the robots. Minimally invention surgeries. Okay, now you can see that medical purpose, physical rehabilitation. Okay, for a rehabilitation purpose, TV channels. Okay, for holding the camera and okay teleprompter. Okay, for that also we can use the for TV channels also we can use these robots. Okay, now we will might be we have seen the some of the videos. Okay, we will see two more and we will start the next part of this one. Okay, I will just go to that. I will play one two videos of that one. Yes, I will play. Working with human, you can observe carefully. Let's, we will see with human. Now you here you can see. This one will be nice. You can see in this that human and machines are robots are doing simultaneously. There is no any fencing in between the. You can see. Okay. Okay. Might be you have understood this one, robots. Next, we will start with AGVs. Okay, automatically guided vehicle. AGVs. What is meant by AGVs? First, we will understood. Then we will see the types of AGVs and applications. Yeah, where we can use AGVs. There are different types of AGV. Now, might be you have seen automated guided vehicles. The best example nowadays that our Tesla company has developed one vehicle, four-wheeler vehicle that that vehicle can operate. Okay, and without driverless cars, you can say that driverless cars. These are the one best example of AGVs. Okay, there is no any driver for that vehicle, and that vehicle will run according to its path or the location. Okay, by provided by the user. Okay, युजरनी जे काही पाथ लोकेशन प्रोव्हाइड करेल त्यावरती तो काय होणार आहे तर त्या ठिकाणी तर ती व्हेकल मूव्ह होणार आहे. ओके, असे जे काय means automatically there is no any driver for that vehicle. Okay, that vehicles known as a automatically guided vehicles. Now an automatic guided vehicles or automatic guided vehicles is a portable robot that follow along a marked long lines or wires on the floor, or uses radio waves, vision camera, magnets, or laser for navigation. For navigation purpose means to movement of that vehicles we can use the okay like wires or the vision camera, magnet, radio waves to travel of that automatic guided vehicles, AGVs, popularly known as a AGVs. And the best example nowadays, I have given. Okay, which one? Can anyone tell me which example I have given? Yes. कोण सांगेल मी आताच एक एक्झाम्पल सांगितलं. Okay, best example where we can see this AGVs. Tesla company. Okay, they have produced a okay automatic or driverless cars. Okay, that is nothing but it is one example of this AGV only. Okay, understood. Next, AGVs are a material handling system or load carrier that travel autonomously throughout a warehouse, distribution center, or manufacturing facility without any onboard operation or driver. Means these vehicles uh, will move without drivers in warehouses. Okay, जे काय ज्या ठिकाणी मोठमोठे वेअर हाऊसेस असतात. ओके, किंवा कोल्ड स्टोरेज असेल, वेअर हाऊसेस असतील, मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग कुठले तर युनिट असेल मोठं, त्या ठिकाणी आपण काय करू शकतो तर अशा व्हेकलचे आपण यूज करू शकतोय. ओके, सम ऑफ एक्झाम्पल विल सी one with one video we will understood how that AGV is. Just today we will start with AGV. Okay, that Audi, in that Audi manufacturing company, they will use this AGVs. Okay, these are the AGVs, driverless cars. We can call it a driverless cars, or simply we can say automatic guided vehicles. Okay, it will lift that weight and it will move accordingly. You can see that. These are the AGVs. There is no any driver. See that. It will place at exact position. On demand delivery. It will more depend upon demand. You can see that charging system also. There is no requirement of human to place the charger inside that. Hmm. See one more AGV. Okay, there is no any driver for this one. Hmm. Okay, you have seen might be this type of AGVs in industries. Okay, these are those are the manual. This one is the okay automated. Okay, you can see that if person in between that, okay, automatically it will stop that AGV. Okay, remaining part we will discuss in next lecture. Just I will take attendance first. Wait a minute. Start present here. Roll number 1.
Yes, sir.
Present. 2. Roll number 2. Roll number 2. Present or absent? 2 is not there. 3. Roll number 3. 4. Roll number 4. 5. 5. 6. 7. Roll number 7.
Yes.
8. Roll number 8.
Yes, sir.
9.
Yes, sir.
10.
Yes, sir.
11. 11. 12. 11. Absent. 12 absent. 13.
Yes, sir.
14. 14. 15. 16.
Yes, sir.
17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 20.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 20. 21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
23. 23. 24. 24. 25. 26.
Yes, sir.
27. 27. 28. 28. Mitkari Om. 29. 29. 29 absent. 30. 30. 31. 31. 31. 32. 32. 33. 34. 34. 35. 36. 36. 37. 37. 38. Roll number 38. 39. 40. 40. 41.
Yes, sir.
42. 42. 42. 43.
Yes, sir.
44.
Present, sir.
45.
Yes, sir.
46. 46. 46 absent. 47.
Yes, sir.
48.
Yes, sir.
48, 49, 49, 50, 50, 51, 51, 52, 53, 54,
Yes, sir.
54, present. 55,
Yes, sir.
56, 56, 57, 57, 58,
Present.
50, 59,
Yes, sir.
60, 60, 61,
Present.
62,
Present,
62,
sir. Present.
63, 63, 64.
Present,
60
sir.
रोल नंबर 63 और 64.
64, sir.
64. अरे तुम्ही एक ही दुसरं लेक्चर आहे तुमचं पाठीमागच्या ऍबसेंट का होतं?
Absent होता.
65, 65, 65. सुशांत. 66,
Yes, sir.
67. कोळी आकाश. 68. रोल नंबर 68, 69, 69, 70, 71, 71. काळे ओंकार. Absent. 72, 72, 72. Absent. 73, 73. वैभव जगताप. झोपलाय काय? प्रेझेंट दिसतोय. 74, 75, 75. वाळुसकर. Absent. 76, 76, 77,
Yes, sir.
78,
Yes, sir.
79,
Yes, sir.
80. नित्यानंद. नित्यानंद.
शांत पाणी पाणी दार मोटर चालू कर.
कोण आहे मोटर? एनिवन इज रिमेनिंग? Okay, write your roll numbers in chat box and you can leave.